pull me.
I broke it again. So, as many of you know, this quad has been through quite a bit. I've thoroughly documented its whole life here on this channel, but if you're new and just clicking for the first time, I had an accident a couple years ago when I completely ruined the frame, and it took about a year and a lot of money to put that thing back together on a new frame and kind of refresh the whole thing. But ever since it's completed, I maybe took it out like twice, 3 times. So decided to take it out. As you're gonna see, the park that I went to is just completely soaked. Everything was wet. It rained very heavily the last like week, and there's just puddles and water and mud everywhere. But you're also gonna see I got kind of carried away, but I'm just gonna let the edit roll, and then I'll meet you guys back here.
Alright. So the lady at the front told me it's very muddy. She kind of encouraged me to not drive, but we'll see how this goes. Also, my 4-wheel drive isn't working yet, so it should be interesting. Oh yeah. Very slippery. So if I don't get stuck, I don't have a winch. Or 4-wheel drive. Deep this is. It looks pretty deep. Not that bad. So wet. Quad off and back on, and 4-wheel drive is working again.
So after all that, decided to kind of take a break, head back to the car, grab some water, clean off all the lenses, switch the battery, stuff like that. And on the way back, and of course I wasn't filming, the quad stalled and I couldn't get it to start back up. Luckily it wasn't too far from the car, it stalled on the straight flat path from the parking lot to the main trail. So I had a little bit to push, not too bad, but again it was really muddy and slippery, so it took me a little bit. But I got it back and tried to diagnose what was wrong. I determined that the cluster wasn't getting power. I was wiggling the wires and it was in and out intermittently, but that explains why I couldn't restart it with the electric start. Luckily my quad comes with a manual pull start for situations like this. So I pulled and pulled and pulled and pulled and pulled. So I finally got it started, choke all the way open, kind of pulling and hitting the thumb throttle to kind of give it some gas. And here's me going back out to the trails explaining to you what happened while it happened again.
Alright, so basically, well, that's what happened. So basically I went through too many puddles. The gauge cluster's not working, so I can't use electric start. It's kind of working. I think I'm gonna have to call it a day. Something's wet. Just gotta get it right there. Oh, that's good timing. Can you just pull me up there? I'm gonna call it. Something's wet. It won't stay on, so I'm just gonna call it.
What won't stay on?
The quad.
It won't?
Something got wet that shouldn't have gotten wet, so.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Can you tow me up the thing with this?
I can side by side.
Okay. Thank you very much.
So yeah, I pushed the quad to its absolute limit, went through way too much water, and here we are. So yeah, big thank you to the Rocky Glen staff, very friendly. Thank you for getting me out. Apologize I didn't catch your name, but thank you. Always love going to that park, and I will be back once I figure out what the hell I did. If you guys are interested in a diagnosing / repairing video, let me know in the comments. Quad content doesn't really do well on this channel, but I love making these kinds of videos. If you're interested as to what happened and how I fix it, leave me a comment down below. Maybe you can even help me kind of diagnose what's going on. But yeah, so got a broken quad again.